back to my channel. So today there is not an exception. We continue our work on the IQ option platform. On the screen you see Bollinger Bands. So today we're going to work with Bollinger Bands and I'm going to show you how I work with it. So what I'm going to do, I just opened call option. Why? I just want to say that today working with Bollinger Bands, you are working only with the upper line and lower line. The orange line is the moving average of the trend. So if you see when the candle crosses the lower line, for example right here, here and here, that is a good moment for buying call option. When I see for example that the candle crosses the upper line, for example right here, that is a good moment for buying put option. Right now we see that the market is falling down step by step, but I hope that it will extremely rose up. So expiration time lasts 30 seconds. I will cross my finger because I want to get a successful trade. So I'm waiting. 15 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 5, 3, 2, and 1. $84, good beginning, so I move on. So you only have to work with the upper line and the lower line. If the candle crosses the upper line, that is good moment for buying put option. If the candle crosses the lower line, that is good moment for buying call option. So I just opened put option because these candles crossed the upper line. Obviously for me and for you all, we see that right now I will get unsuccessful job, so I need to cover that I lost right now. So I have lost, I failed, and the next deal should be 2.5 bigger than the previous one. So I need to make from 100 250 and I need to cover that I lost. $210. So actually that is how it works Bollinger Bands. My personal advice for you, mix Bollinger Bands with the other strategies or indicators. So I hope that my video is useful for you. I'm waiting for your personal opinion, left and comments. Don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next time. Bye.